Good morning, everyone. My family and I just got back from a trip to Georgia, and so we are in desperate need of groceries, so I'm gonna be doing a grocery haul for you guys. I'm also gonna be showing you what we eat in a day because I've had some requests for videos on recipes, so I figured why not go ahead and shoot what we eat throughout the day. Basically, how we eat is pretty much dairy-free except for eggs and maybe ghee occasionally. We also pretty much eat gluten-free and err on the side of paleo pretty much. That's a lot of the recipes that we use are paleo and Whole30 friendly. Yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing these recipes, stick around, and I'm gonna be doing breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a dessert as well. So I'm super excited to share these recipes with you all, and yeah, let's get into it.
I'm using instant oatmeal, but you can use whatever oatmeal you have. I did 4 packets of instant oatmeal, or you can do 1 cup of oats, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, and then strawberries or whatever berries you have, and top with chia seeds.
We have been out of town for about 5 days, so we had to restock on a bunch of stuff. This is gonna last us maybe about 2 weeks, and we got a huge grocery haul to show you guys. So I'm excited to show you that, and then also I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks I have for meal planning as well. And this is our grocery haul. Hey. So these things are just kind of our staple items to get. We got some hot dogs. I got David and the kids like the beef. I get the turkey. We got turkey kielbasa, bacon, ground beef, ground turkey, some chuck roast. We got salmon, plenty of potatoes. These potatoes are gonna go in the chicken pot pie soup tonight. Onion, plenty of veggies. We got rice, cauliflower, and oh my goodness, and some mixed veggies. And then we have some snacks right here for the kids. I thought we'd try these cauliflower tortilla chips. We'll see how those taste. And veggie straws, the kids love those. We got cherry tomatoes and strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, avocado. I'm gonna try these. Well, the kids are, and David. They're gluten-free and dairy-free, so that might be good for them. And then we have some applesauce. The kids, oh my goodness, stuff is falling everywhere. Some seasoning, ketchup, or this is salsa, ketchup. Then we have some freeze-dried fruit, some of these little green pea crisps. And I like these pickles. They're a good low-carb snack. Bananas, carrots. These are also gonna go in the pot pie soup. This will be going in the chicken pot pie soup. This we like to have for like ropa vieja or just any kind of meal, maybe some chili. And then we have vanilla extract for some of the recipes we're doing, or the dessert we're gonna be doing. And more snacks. These are so handy, you guys, having it already peeled. So we almost always have this on hand. And then olives are a really great snack for the kids and I. Chicken broth, greens, eggs. I guess we have more bacon right here. And this is cabbage, which we're gonna make homemade sauerkraut with. And we have celery, green onion, and yummy oranges and watermelon. Oh, we also got this juice and that juice. These are actually good to make gummies.
To prep your ingredients, I'm just pouring some white vinegar and water and soaking all of my fruits and veggies. I like to put a strainer in for loose items like berries and tomatoes, things like that, to let it sit. That way I just have to pull it up and strain it. Or you can leave the berries in the packet because they have holes and just rinse them off after they soak for about 10 minutes and you're good to go.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts.
My husband works as a professional chef, and one thing he taught me was how to properly cut
melons and things like pineapple, and I want to show you guys because sometimes I watch these grocery haul and meal prep videos and I see them cutting it in such a dangerous way, and it like freaks me out. And then sure enough, like something goes flying somewhere, or I don't know, but I wanted to show you guys a safe way to cut these things without getting hurt. To cut my pineapple, I am just cutting both ends of the pineapple so I have a flat surface to work with, and then I will go ahead and take my knife and shave it all off. Honestly, you guys, I don't even know what this spiky stuff is called. If you know, leave a comment down below and let me know. I'm really not sure. I'm just going to call it spiky stuff. So you just shave all of that off with the knife, and I decided to cut mine into spears. I'm also dicing some up for Everly and putting that aside for her so she has some smaller pieces to eat. Same for the watermelon. I'm just cutting both ends so I have a flat surface to work with, and then I just go around and cut all of the rind off.
Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know and I know we're onto something good. You know and I know we got something good.
For your celery, you're going to need a 24-ounce mason jar, and you can have a Ziploc bag as well, so you can store all the end pieces in this bag and freeze it for when you make bone broth. You can store the celery in this like that. Use purified water. You can use a water bottle. I have this alkaline water filter, and then you just fill it with water and seal it up, and then they will stay fresh. And they're already clean, so you can just grab and go and eat them. So it's a really convenient way. Oh, my thing just made a funny noise. It's a really convenient way to store your celery, keep it clean and fresh. And it looks kind of cute, right? Hey guys, I'm at my mom's house right now editing the video you're watching currently. And I just had to come on here and say I am so deeply hurt and sorry for what is going on in our world right now. The racism has got to stop. I can't even believe that this is an issue, but it is. And so I just want to give voice to that. And I want to ask you guys and challenge you guys to make sure you're having those conversations in your home. Be intentional about who you're friends with, what kind of message you're giving out to the world, and what kind of legacy you want to leave behind. I know I want to leave behind a legacy of love for all people, because that's how God sees us. We are his people. We are all loved by him. It doesn't matter what color we are, what background we have, what mistakes we've made. Just know, if you're a person of color right now and you are hurting, my heart is with you, and I am so deeply sorry. I can't imagine if you're a mom and having to have those conversations with your babies, have those conversations with your family, being worried and tensed up every time your spouse leaves the house because you just don't know what to expect. That I cannot imagine that, and I am so sorry. And just know that I'm with you guys. I'm standing with you, and I'm fighting with you guys. So for lunch, I'm keeping it pretty simple because we did all that grocery shopping, and I'm just like, I do not feel like cooking. So I'm keeping it pretty simple. I'll show you what I'm having. I have some watermelon and crackers and some turkey. These are the crackers I'm having. I got these in Georgia as like a little road trip snack, and they're actually pretty good. So I like them. They seem to have pretty good ingredients, and the flavor on them is really tasty. Guys, my pantry is a disaster, and I just wanted to show you. Would you all like me to do a pantry organization video for you? Normally for a snack, I will do a protein bar or a protein shake. This is what I have on hand right now. I got this in Georgia. And I normally really like the Costco brand. They're like 4 net carbs or something. Not the granola bar, but like the protein bar. And I normally really like that. But I'm out, so I got these, and these are really good too. This is the Think Creamy Peanut Butter. This recipe is paleo and Whole30 friendly, also gluten-free. Everyone in my family loves this meal, and it's a great way to get your kids to eat some of their veggies as well. I'm dicing up some onion, celery. I'm quartering my red potatoes, but you can cut them in half or however you want. You can even leave them whole if you're in a hurry. I'm also mincing some garlic as well.
If you keep on waiting, but then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so
You're going to want to cube up your chicken and saute that for 2 to 3 minutes, then take it out.
better. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you
Throw in your carrots, onion, and celery and saute that for 2 to 3 minutes.
feel so free.
Add in your potatoes and garlic, your chicken, salt, pepper, and 1 tablespoon of thyme.
I was never the one to give up the
Stir everything around and pour in 3 cups of chicken broth as well. Then you're just going to cook it on high pressure for 7 minutes and then do a quick release.
clear. And now that you're here, I see colors in every spectrum.
After you quick release it, take out 2 cups of potato and blend it or mash it up with 1 cup of your choice of milk. I'm using coconut milk, but you can use almond milk or regular milk.
Wrongs and make them better.
Put the mixture back in with the soup and stir. This is going to act as a natural thickener.
I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
I just got this cookbook, True Roots by Kristen Cavallari, and I'm going to try the no bake cake balls recipe. I'm changing a couple things, but I think it's still going to be super, super good.
Oh, baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the
This recipe is so easy, you guys. It's also gluten-free and paleo friendly. You basically just combine all of the ingredients, and I rolled the majority of mine in cacao powder, but the recipe calls for sugar.
hold you till the morning comes. Oh, baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh, baby, kiss me till I see the light. Like you did last night. Like you did last night. Come back to my place. We can dance the night away. My heart is screaming out.
Thank you so much for watching today's video, and thank you for all of the love and support that you have given this channel since launching. And it has been amazing to connect with you all, and I'm just so honored that you guys even subscribe to me and to my channel. That means the world to me, and thank you so much. And I am so excited to continue this journey with you guys and make more videos for you all that you want to see and that are helpful for you. I hope that you enjoyed it and enjoy the recipes and maybe got some inspiration for what to eat in your day and what to feed your kids. If you aren't already, don't forget to subscribe and join the tribe down below. Also hit the little notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I put out a video. Bye, moms.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in